This is a tutorial on how to install the Yokai Watch Blasters ++ mod for console and emulator. If you have to skip to a specific section, use the chapters at the bottom of the video. All resources mentioned in this video will be linked in the description. Here are some important things that need to be mentioned before the start of this video. First, in order to extract the RAR file the mod is contained in, you'll need a dedicated extractor like 7-zip or WinRAR, because the default extractor doesn't work with RAR files. If you are playing on a console, you will need to have modded your 3DS. If you haven't, follow the guide in the description. This mod is made for the English version of the game. If you are on console and don't want to change your system language to English, you can use the Luma Locale Switcher program. If you are on console, you'll need to be able to read your SD card, which you should already be able to do if you modded the console yourself. If you have a modded console but don't have access to an SD card reader, follow the video guide to set up FTPD in the description, then come back to this video. Alright, so first you want to get the mod. So start by going to the Game Banana page and just scroll all the way down to the download section right here and download the file corresponding to your game version. So once you're finished downloading, you want to right click and extract the RAR file. Once you finish extracting, you can just get rid of this RAR file. Then move the folders to somewhere you'll remember. If you are on console, continue watching. If you are on emulator, skip to the emulator chapter and follow from there. On the Game Banana page, right above the download links, there are 4 strings of numbers and letters. These are the game's title IDs. Find the title ID corresponding to your game version and copy it. For this example, I'll be using White Dog Squad in the North American version, which means I should copy this line of text. If you don't know your game's region, open up FBI on your console and navigate to titles, then find your game on the game list. On the top screen, it will show your game's region right here. Take the SD card out of your console and insert it into the computer. If you are using FTPD, then launch the FTPD app on your 3DS and connect to your computer. From the root, navigate to Luma, then Titles, then make a folder with the same name of the title ID you copied. If the Titles folder does not exist, create a folder named Titles and continue. Then, drag the ROM-FS folder inside the file you extracted into the title ID folder. And once the file transfer is complete, remove the SD card from your computer and insert it back into the console, or disconnect from the FTPD app. Lastly, boot up your console while holding the select button to access the Luma menu. Make sure there's an X next to enable game patching. The mod should then work. For emulators, the process is very simple. On the Stitcher home screen, right-click your game and click Open Mods location. Then, drag the ROM-FS folder inside the file you extracted into the folder. The mod should then work. If the mod is not working, check the following. Check all the files are in the correct place, and check if game patching is enabled. If you need further assistance, or just want to interact with other Blasters++ players and receive updates and teasers, join the official Blasters++ Discord server in the description. Thanks for watching.